control, functionality at every moment. I'm in control of if I want something from someone, I feel like protecting the book. If it's not if I attention to someone, they stop me. Any attention I receive is respectful and safe. Everyone around me respects my boundaries at all times. Everyone respects my boundaries exactly as I set them until such time that I choose to change them. Any attention I receive is on my terms and my terms only. If you change my mind and decide I do desire something from someone, I will see that immediately. Any attention I receive is healthy and safe. I am effectively invisible to anyone who would harm me. I am invisible to anyone who should be invisible to. I am setting my boundaries right now, right this second, and every human being on earth is respecting my boundaries. Everyone around me sees me exactly as I should be seen, no matter what. Everyone around me sees me exactly as I should present myself, no matter what. Everyone around me respects my identity at all times. Everyone around me respects my desires at all times. Hey, always in full times. The media what I'm saying too is always understood by everyone around me. I'm always safe no matter what. It is super easy for me to manifest being safe and protected. It is super easy for me to manifest being respected. Feeling respected comes as naturally to me as free. I know feeling extremely safe and extremely respected every moment of my life. I always seek something I want in levels that I want at every moment of my life, right now and forever into the future. I'm in control of the amount of attention I receive at every moment. I am in control of who I receive attention from. If I want attention from someone, I instantly become effectively invisible to them. If I stop desiring attention from someone, they stop immediately. Any attention I receive is respectful and safe. Everyone around me respects my boundaries at all times. Everyone respects my boundaries exactly as I set them until such time as I choose to change them. Any attention I receive is on my terms and my terms only. If I change my mind and decide I do desire attention from someone, I receive it immediately. Any attention I receive is healthy and safe. I am effectively invisible to anyone who would harm me. I am invisible to anyone who should be invisible to. I am setting my boundaries right now, right this second, and every human being on earth is respecting my boundaries. Everyone around me sees me exactly as I should be seen, no matter what. Everyone around me sees me exactly as I should present myself, no matter what. Everyone around me respects my identity at all times. Everyone around me respects my desires at all times. Hey, always in full times. The media what I'm saying too is always understood by everyone around me. I'm always safe no matter what. It is super easy for me to manifest being safe and protected. It is super easy for me to manifest being respected. Feeling respected comes as naturally to me as free. I know feeling extremely safe and extremely respected every moment of my life. I'm willing to seek something I want in levels that I want at every moment of my life, right now and forever into the future. I am in control of the amount of attention I receive at every moment. I am in control of who I receive attention from. If I want attention from someone, I instantly become effectively invisible to them. If I stop desiring attention from someone, they stop immediately. Any attention I receive is respectful and safe. Everyone around me respects my boundaries at all times. Everyone respects my boundaries exactly as I set them until such time as I choose to change them. Any attention I receive is on my terms and my terms only. If I change my mind and decide I do desire attention from someone, I receive it immediately. Any attention I receive is healthy and safe. I am effectively invisible to anyone who would harm me. I am invisible to anyone who should be invisible to. I am setting my boundaries right now, right this second, and every human being on earth is respecting my boundaries. Everyone around me sees me exactly as I should be seen, no matter what. Everyone around me sees me exactly as I should present myself, no matter what. Everyone around me respects my identity at all times. Everyone around me respects my desires at all times. Hey, always in full times. The media what I'm saying too is always understood by everyone around me. I'm always safe no matter what. It is super easy for me to manifest being safe and protected. It is super easy for me to manifest being respected. Feeling respected comes as naturally to me as free. I know feeling extremely safe and extremely respected every moment of my life.